congrats on wanting to ask for a raise. So, how do you get started? Well, I got 3 steps for you. Step one, before asking for a raise, ask your supervisor what is the process to ask for a raise in a company. So, understand the process. Two, if there is no process, then guess what? You could go ask and create one. So, ask if you can set a goal to your supervisor, goals that you want to accomplish within the next 3 months, 6 months, and a year. And then how often you can meet with your supervisor to reevaluate those goals and share when you've exceeded them or when you've hit them. Then the third part is then ask for a raise during a meeting, whether that's 3 months later, 6 months later, or a year later, on how you've been able to exceed the goals. But by asking what the process is for a raise, at least your supervisor knows now that you are asking for one. And then you're better prepared when you are meeting with them to share how you've been able to exceed those goals.